From a 5-generation family of Palmer chiropractors. He has a 47-year history with the college as a student, faculty member, and administrator. Continuing his involvement today as president of Palmer Davenport, I'd like to welcome to the podium Dr. Don Kern.
Palmer is a pioneer in advancing chiropractic education. The Academic Health Center is truly an outstanding facility, but it represents more than bricks and mortar. It represents the future of chiropractic education for Palmer College students. The Fountainhead has grown and evolved in incredible ways over the years, each step generating more excitement, more enthusiasm among our students, our employees, and our alumni. Pisciottano Hall is no different. It is the Academic Health Center. You'll hear about some of that excitement from one of our students in a few moments. But now I'd like to introduce someone who has a great deal of enthusiasm about what this building brings to the college and to the healthcare arena. It's my pleasure to introduce to you the person who is responsible for the Palmer clinics, including those here in the Quad Cities, in San Jose, and in Port Orange campuses. Dr. Kurt Wood is one of the nation's leaders in clinical education. He's a 1979 graduate of Palmer College and held faculty and administrative positions in clinical, chiropractic clinical education for more than 20 years before coming to Palmer. He has led the development of the Academic Health Center since joining Palmer in 2006 and is responsible for assuring the finest clinical education for our students as well as the best chiropractic care possible to the community through this facility. Please welcome Dr. Kurt Wood.
Thank you, President Kern, and allow me to extend my welcome as well to everyone here with us today. We appreciate you being here. Today we celebrate not only the dedication of a new campus hall, but also the ongoing commitment to the advancement of chiropractic education and to the health and well-being of the communities we serve that is represented here today at the Palmer College of Chiropractic Academic Health Center. The first of its kind in chiropractic education, the Academic Health Center will support the mission and purpose of the college by serving as an innovative community healthcare resource characterized by clinical excellence, educational leadership, and a commitment to scholarship. The Academic Health Center will employ and contribute to healthcare best practices by offering quality-focused, patient-centered care at the hands of experienced faculty clinicians with the involvement and participation of student interns, all to better prepare the Palmer graduate for contemporary chiropractic practice. The Academic Health Center concept established here in Davenport will be similarly modeled at the Palmer branch campuses in both Florida and in California. The Clinical Learning Resource Center on the Skywalk level distinguishes this facility in that its resources are dedicated solely for use by the center's faculty clinicians and their student interns for educational and patient care purposes. The state-of-the-art simulated patient center, located within the CLRC, will allow students to polish their clinical skills as their development is monitored and assessed. This level also houses a digital radiology classroom that will allow staff radiologists to connect in real time with various Davenport campus facilities, as well as with the Palmer campuses in both Florida and in California. The Brady and Perry Street levels of the center house the Davenport Clinic. In addition to 34 treatment, examination, and patient education rooms, the clinic contains expanded and contemporary rehabilitation and sports injury and digital radiology departments. 21 faculty, clinicians, directors, and residents with a cumulative total of over 350 years of patient care experience, and an additional 18 support personnel will staff the clinic facility. We're very fortunate to have such a group of accomplished faculty, most possessing either advanced academic degrees or chiropractic specialty credentials, and having accounted for numerous publications and presentations, and are also recognized for their particular area of clinical expertise. We're equally fortunate to have such a dedicated staff, all committed to providing the highest quality service to our patients and to our students. So please join me in recognizing the Academic Health Center faculty, clinicians, and staff members that are in attendance today. Where are you? Raise your hand. It is also my great pleasure to acknowledge and introduce you to the individual who has tirelessly labored to develop the Academic Health Center facility and program since being appointed its director in November of last year. Dr. Jim Owens deserves much credit for working with the architect, the facility staff, the clinic support staff, and with the faculty to have the center operational, on task, and on time. Jim, on behalf of Palmer College, please accept our gratitude and thanks for your effort. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in recognizing the Director of the Academic Health Center and the Chief of Staff, Dr. Jim Owens. Jim? The Academic Health Center facility, the services provided in it, and the people serving patients and students contribute to further the legacy of Palmer College, setting standards in healthcare delivery and in professional education. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce Dr. Ron Besch, Academic Health Center faculty clinician and 1991 graduate of Palmer College. Dr. Besch.